Okay, chaps, let's talk about life after college. Max, let's start with you. What's the dream? What's the vision?
Well, the dream right now is, again, I want to go to university.
Yeah. But then after that?
After that, to be honest, it's not an exciting answer, but I really don't know. I just kind of want to see what kind of...
See how it pans out.
Where university brings you.
Yeah, pretty
absolutely.
much.
Yeah.
Because, again, the opportunity that comes with this college is immense. So what's going to come with university, you know? Like, I'll be able to go different places. I'll be able to meet different people. So, I mean, I'm just going to see where that brings me and what passions develop while I'm there, really. So
terrific. I think we've already kind of had a hint of what you're going to do, Morgan, with the Las Vegas restaurant.
I can expand.
Okay, please do.
First off, I do want to go back where I'm from, Ngholeg, southwest Wales.
Yeah.
That's where I'm originally from, and I want to work there and like maybe open a restaurant there if it were to be like a multi-brand franchise, but it won't be like Frankie Benny's. It'll be Frankie Benny's. I want to have a steakhouse and then an Italian restaurant and then French cuisine and then maybe like something that's Ethiopian, something that's Indian, something that's Mexican, something that's Italian, something that's Spanish, something that's more German cooked. I want to like experience with loads of different foods and like open like merchandise. It's like certain. Some place I'm gonna have like a steak restaurant. Another place I'm gonna have like an Italian restaurant. Another place I'm gonna have a fresh one.
You basically just want to have like a kind of a culinary,
like
enterprise.
a multi-brand enterprise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah.
It's like all of them together. It's you can go to each one, and one of them is guaranteed to have something you're gonna enjoy. Because some people like grilled stuff, some people like pasta, so Italian food, some people like French food, some people like German food, some people like Ethiopian food, some people like just Russian food, things like that. So it's good to open a multi-brand franchise because you're going to have customers and they're guaranteed going to enjoy something.
So you got more room to experiment then, really, don't you?
Yeah.
Like you're not restricted to one thing.
Like I'm thinking of going travelling maybe when I finish college next year.
Well, that would be good in terms of investigating other culinary experiences.
It's a learning curve.
Yeah,
then.
yeah. Global domination, that's what you're after.
No, I promise not. Shh, not going to tell anyone.
What about you then, Harvey, when it comes to the dream? What's the dream job?
My dream job would be an editor for companies or, such as like BBC or Netflix as well. I know they're looking for editors at the moment, but I feel like I still have more like time to grow and expand my skills as well in those areas. But yeah, that would be my dream job. It might be simple, but it's something that I think will be interesting.
Yeah,
and I'll be able to
it's better to learn more before you start.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
but
go for it. I mean, it's great that you've all got goals as well. It's what I often say to young people, especially going into the TV and film and radio industry, that I think if you're passionate about something, you'll go the extra mile.
That's something to say to the
Do you know
audience.
what I mean?
Like for everyone, I would always try to plan your life. I'd try to plan everything, make yourself a goal and then reach it, go for it.
Plan your life, but be open to changes at the same time. It's a balancing act, really. You don't want to be so dead set on something that you're not open to anything else.
You want a work-life balance.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, would you recommend the college? Let's start with you, Harvey. Would you recommend the college?
Yeah, 100%. It's going to take you to a new world, isn't it, really? It's going to be new experiences, you're going to meet new people, new friends, you're going to have a really fun time as well. You get on with the tutors. Most of the tutors in this college I've spoken to myself has been really nice, and they help you as well. They actually help you.
They'll have a joke with you.
Yeah, they treat you as a friend, and they treat you as an adult as well, which is really good. It's something I find key in college, to be shown this respect that you wouldn't necessarily find in school, especially. But now, just come to college. It's really good.
Amazing. It's very friendly atmosphere in Coleg y Cymoedd, isn't it, Morgan?
Yeah, it's very, very friendly. It's like you're respected and everything. And when I came here, it's more like, it's just going to be learning. Now I enjoy going to college. I go on my days off to get a little bit of work done out the way. But just to speak to people, be around your friends, be around the tutors, be around the teachers and everything. I get along with the librarians, I do. Like Ian, he works here. Rachel, she's in the library up here today, so I might pop to see her after this.
Oh, that's nice.
Have a
That's
little
so
chat.
lovely. But you'd recommend the college?
I love college. I'd recommend it to
Well
everyone.
done. Well said.
Just yes, it's coming. I kind of came from nothing, and I feel like the college has just given me so much. And I'm nearing the end of my course now, and I'm in no rush to leave at all. I love it so much. It just gives you so much. Again, so many opportunities, but all the same, it gives you so much like order. You have something to go for when you're here. It's not like you come in just to learn. You come in to achieve something when you're here. You know.
You've achieved a lot since you've been here because you're only my age and you've nearly completed level 3. And level 3 is professional. Like you're really good at it. So that's really good. Well, like level 2 for us now, it's tough level 2. I can't imagine how hard level 3 is for you.
Well, it demands a lot, but I mean, you just look back on it and it feels like it's just gone by like that.
I know. I look back at when I was in level 1, I was like, Jesus Christ, this is quite tough. I know. I look back and I was like, I could do that with a click of my fingers now.
Yeah.
Well, that's how you develop.
Yeah.
That's how you grow as individuals.
You look back at it, you don't really realise you've developed until you look back and stuff.
Yeah. Absolutely right. Well, listen, boys, it's been lovely seeing you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much indeed. You've been really,
Thanks for inviting us.
a joy.
Yeah.
You've been an absolute joy, and you've inspired me today as well. So, Harvey, I wish you all the very best with your creative media. Morgan, I look forward to eating your restaurant in Vegas or Barbados. Fantastic. Good luck. And to you as well, Max. Congratulations, and I wish you the very best.
All the best.
Well done. Thank you very much. So we hope you've enjoyed listening to this session and watching it. If you are interested in joining Coleg y Cymoedd or have any questions or queries, then head to the website www.cymoedd.ac.uk. Thank you for watching.